back there.
Moments later.
Whoa, that nigga tweaking, bro.
For anything. It's too late. We have to run. Anything.
Hell yeah. I can't even run a dish.
I don't know Supreme for ready.
This y'all niggas running last time? That nigga wildin'.
That shit nice, bro. Look at the pull up.
Oh god, yeah, that motherfucker nice.
You need some tint.
That's a Scapeos behind us. That'd be nice.
That's the exact same thing. That's what I'm doing.
Damn. Bro, stop. What does he do? What happened?
His tire about to pop.
Oh, damn. He's scared.
I don't know. Well, fuck
Be your bitch in that bitch.
Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Turn it back on.
No, 12. This is a good this is a good guy, right? Shit. Oh, this. Oh yeah, they go for the
I do not claim them.
You're better, man.
He's stuck. I don't claim them. He's stuck. Where he go? I claim him.
Your turn, bro.
Fuck, I don't know where the fuck I'm running.
The niggas went that way. They were right.
Oh, they went to here.
That's what Richie said it was there earlier. That this shit's crazy, son. I need to get this. This is gonna be my 5th pair. Shit. Is that Richie? No.
Did I get out of here?
Nigga, let's go.
Yeah, fuck that. I ain't getting my shit impounded. Fuck that.
They said it wasn't playing for.
Nope. Mucha gasolina, mejor la verga.
Left. No.
Hell no, nigga. I'm trying to. Nigga, I'm low on gas right now.
Nigga, there's a gas station up ahead. Do you not see it? Nigga, straight. Hey.
Bro, there's 3 cops on that nigga, bro. I feel bad for him.
That's one of them over there, right?
None of them are coming over there. I
No.
think this nigga retarded, bro. How you gonna rev in this 3 cops right there, boy?
Damn, bro. I feel. Damn, lo tiene maniado, wey.
Damn.
On the ground.
Swear to God.
Yeah. I seen them. They got them. That's good. That's good. Huh? See if he want it. See if he want it.
Nah, he don't want it.
Damn, this nigga want smoke.
Oh, he want to smoke with
He
you,
wants to
bro.
smoke. Oh
He
shit.
want to smoke. He want to smoke.
They in a cup right there?
Nah, he don't want it. He don't want it. He didn't hear me shit down. He said, nah, let's keep pushing. Oh, the truck want it? Okay, truck. Okay, truck, baby.
Look at
That
that.
nigga
Look
want
at that. That
it.
nigga want it.
He do want it behind you. Yes.
I know the fucking fuck, yeah, you didn't have anything on there.
Stay in the second lane from right.
He could have beat me if he wanted to.
Oh, we better take this exit.
Exit 48.
Hey, take exit 48.
Exit 48?
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, I think the truck wanted to get one.
Yeah. You said what? Try what?
Nigga, I was in front of you. I was like, fuck, I don't know. You need to slow down. You need to slow down. I know. I was.